Can AI do real jobs? Welcome to TaskProof AI. We test it with real tasks. Today, we're testing whether artificial intelligence can handle the work of an insurance agent in the United States. Policy explanation. Client follow-up. Sales messages. Let's see how AI performs on these real tasks. First, let's test policy explanation. This is one of the most common tasks of an insurance agent. AI explains the policy in simple language in under 1 minute. This makes complex insurance terms easier to understand. Now, let's move to the next task. This time, a client follow-up email. Insurance agents send follow-up emails every day. Now let's look at a client follow-up email. AI creates a professional email instantly. Finally, a sales message. AI can also generate clear sales messages. This helps communicate value faster. Let's compare the results. AI does not replace insurance agents. It replaces repetitive and time-consuming work. A human insurance agent may take 20 to 30 minutes. AI completes the same task in under 1 minute. We see the same time savings in client follow-ups. Even sales messages are generated in seconds. AI saves time, while humans add judgment. And that's the result. AI is a tool, not a replacement. This video is for educational purposes only.